So I am back again with another video. Like I said, my first one had more packages coming from Amazon, and I was gonna do an unboxing when I get them, so I got them. But I just really had a bad experience with Amazon, and I just letting y'all know that I will not shop on Amazon no more. Period. Um, I ordered this the day after my birthday, right? And my sister cashed out me some money, so I want to thank her and I appreciate her for doing that because wouldn't be able to get this. So, um, it was supposed to be delivered on the 18th, and I waited until the 18th. That's the day before, after my birthday, and it showed that it was delivered after hmm, maybe around 4 p.m. And I've been looking for my packages. I looked everywhere. Front of the garage, the mailbox, of course the front door. I didn't get my package. So I contacted Amazon customer service and let them know what was going on with my package. So they looked over my order information number, whatever, and they seen that I had these two that's supposed to be delivered, yes, on the 18th. Which I never did get until now. So one of the neighbors next door came to me and asked for me, and she said she got my package um delivered at her doorstep, and she opened up my stuff to make sure her stuff wasn't in it. And I asked her again before I even looked, is all my stuff in here? She like had an attitude and whatever, but squash all that. I got my package and it's here. And I feel like she didn't have to open it if her name was on the package. But it's all good. So I'm not upset. I got my stuff. Um, I never had this happen to me before. Because I used to shop on Amazon a lot. And I always got my stuff delivered to me, to my house, wherever I stay. Not next door or across the street, you know. And I'm thinking I'm upset. Am I going to get my stuff? I wanted a refund. They couldn't refund my money, and I was just really upset at that time. I still kind of am because I thought they were just trying to take my money and not give me my stuff. And they said they couldn't refund me back, but their policy says if you read it, they are supposed to refund your money if you don't receive your product from Amazon. And I got upset about that, so the next day I got text and they suspended my account. And I'm like, I don't care, suspend my account, permanently delete it. I'm never shopping on Amazon again. So I meant that. And now I know I can't trust Amazon. I won't shop on Amazon anymore after this little mishap. But I'm gonna unbox it. Everything looks good still. But hope nothing isn't missing in this one because this is the main one that I wanted was these headphones because I paid more for these headphones than the other stuff. But it's still here, so in good condition still. So go ahead and open it. See, look, this is not even wrapped properly, so she's been through my stuff. She didn't even wrap it professionally. I I'm never shopping on Amazon again, ever. But everything is here. And here's the detailed information of the headphones. So, showing you where to charge it, how to plug it up, and all that basic stuff. Details what everything is. And on is blue, pairing is blue and red, and you turn it off. Okay, pretty basic. Here's my headphones. So I like that the headphones do fold. And they also supposed to twist. See? They twist and turn. That's good. You got the cushions is comfortable. Very, very comfortable. I like. And you have Kivido is the name brand of these headphones. And up and volume down button, and I guess the mute button and the charging port and the audio jack for these. Here's two male-to-male. You can put here and plug to whatever device that supports this cable. Here is the charger for these headphones. USB Type-C, like they said. Just about every device I have is a Type-C. These headphones feel kind of cheap, but I only pay like $32 for these. But and it's supposed to be stretchable, I think. Yep, they are expandable. Well, they are a little stretchable. You can also expand them, which I do like these headphones, and I'll be using these a lot more often. So these are that. But this is side, I have a mechanical pencil sets. I bought these because I like to draw, and I needed these because I got a whole art set for my birthday. And some sketch pads, some color pencils, and I didn't have anything to actually draw with that I can erase easily, so I got these. And it's supposed to come with a couple pencil sharpeners too. Oh, I see them. They're right here. They're just hiding. So I would like to know if you ever had a bad experience with Amazon with your packages, like I did for the first time in years. Let me know in the comments or make a video and send it to me. And I will watch your video because this isn't something I would go through every time I order something on Amazon. This is like the first ever, so it's kind of trippy, you know. And I was like, I was so frustrated and upset. Like, I went off on Amazon and about my package, my money, because I don't pay about my money. So they suspended me. I don't care. It's okay. Because they don't have to ever worry about me shopping on their website again. So these are, I guess, for these to sharpen with. But I have a whole set of coloring pencils, and I saw these in the picture. I was like, okay. But looks can be deceiving. These are for these. You can't just use them for anything. So I still had to go to Walmart and buy me a pencil sharpener from a. That's okay. You know, at least they include them. But they can't be used for everything except for these, which I'm okay with. We have, they actually feel not bad. They feel kind of okay. I like these. I got these in a gold set, but they also come in silver too. So you're getting, instead of buying them separately, you get them both as a bundle. Got some erasers, which I did need it. Here we got the erasers for, I guess these come off. I'm not for sure. But you got everything you need. This is a video, 12 minutes long. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I'll see you in the next one, but if I buy something to be from Walmart or some other public store, see you next time. Bye.